Shivom. Today we'll discuss about heart chakra, which is the conjuncture of the ionic and the cosmic energy. This is the point which is the base of these two different types of energies meeting. This chakra, it would be wrong to say that this chakra is the powerhouse which drives the energy and the energy drives the body. But unfortunately, because of the dynamics of the society, the normal feed to this chakra is of sulking, remorse, bereavement, anguish, anxiety, depression. There are various kind of emotions which we keep feeding, and hence, as we are aware, what we feel, what is the input defines the output. So when the input, because of the societal behavior, the societal dynamics, is more of a repressive emotion. So the energy generated by this chakra is also repressive in its nature. There are various methods by which we can change how this chakra behaves and the kind of energy which this chakra releases. There are concentration exercise, meditative exercise, but today we'll be highlighting upon how we can use breathing exercises to heal this chakra, to improve the behavior of this chakra. As what you are witnessing right now, I am inhaling through my nostrils and through my mouth. First, taking the entire breath to my throat, holding it. As you see, I'm holding it in my throat, then pushing it down to my lungs. You'll be surprised to know that a normal person only uses the front part of the lungs, not the lungs in the back. As you're noticing, which I'm showing by tightening my kurta, that I am playing with the air, bringing it to my front chest and now taking it back to my back of the chest. Then taking it down to my navel, to my solar plex, making the breath protrude my abdominal, then squeezing it, but keeping the breath there in the navel, bringing it back and exhaling. Now, if you are in a kind of a depressed state, the things are not good, the day was not very bright, it was gloomy, and the behavior wasn't good. So what I'll suggest you exhale through your right nostril. And the people who are in a kind of anxiety, they are hyper. For them, I would suggest you exhale from your left nostril. I'm not using the hands, but initially you can press the nostril through which you should be exhaling, and then later on take the control over yourself and exhale without using the hand. Before I sign off this session, let's perform this exercise again. Take in the breath, hold it to your throat, take it to your lungs, to the front lungs, to the back of your lungs, to your abdominal, to the front of the abdominal, squeeze the abdominal and exhale. Now, before repeating this exercise, close your eyes, sit in a relaxed position. Observe the energy, the outflow of the energy which is there after you have undertaken this exercise. You can feel this energy in form of heat, because initially, as you are not aware of the flow of the energy within you, the expression of the energy, say in the form of heat, light, is easy to distinguish and observe. Later on, when you'll be able to sense the flow of the energy without its expression, then you won't be requiring heat or light or any of the other things for you to understand this energy. Till the time we meet next time, Shivo.